Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another DIY for you guys. This one involves the kids and it makes for a good keepsake kind of item to keep putting out during the fall season. You're going to need, I found these flour sacks from the Dollar General for $2. There's like 2 of them. You can cut them, whatever you want to do to make multiples of these. A white towel or yellow towel would work perfect for this. And then you need some of these foam brushes and an assortment of acrylic paints in your choice. So basically you definitely need a black, and then you need some fall shades. So I'm using red, orange, and brown for the leaves part of this. And go grab your kiddos, get your supplies, and get crafting. First you're going to start off by unfolding your towel, flour sack, whatever you plan on using, and you're going to need the foam brush, get the paints ready that you're going to start out with using, and of course, you have to have your child with you. And you just want them to press it down somewhere. The idea behind this is it's going to look like leaves. Clean the hands off before each paint and after. Now that you have all your handprints, as many as you want, involve all your children, this is a fun little DIY. You're going to let this dry for a few minutes anyways before moving on to the next step. You need your black paint and a small brush, or you can use the foam brush like I actually originally planned, but then I found one of Connor's paintbrushes. So you're going to paint these kind of like leaves. Just continue to outline all the handprints like they're leaves, different sizes, different shapes like normal leaves. You can do like this or that to make different sizes of leaves. In the end, it all comes out so beautiful. This makes a wonderful keepsake and a great gift for like a grandma. Done. Isn't that so adorable? So adorable. Completed and dried. I have mine hanging on the oven door. It's so adorable. A nice fall accent piece, keepsake, perfect for gift giving. Super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Try it out with your kids. Thanks again for watching. Check the description box for tons of additional Dollar Tree links. Subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell if you haven't already.